Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm happy to be here once again today. This is Lasogenic Based Talk. Alright, what I will be sharing with you today is my live withdrawal from Fire VIP. Live withdrawal from Fire VIP. Turn your phone to money making machine. Start making money online now. I want to tell you once again that if you are yet to be making money online with your phone, you are wasting your resources. You are wasting this great potential that you are holding on to now, because your phone should be an asset to you. It shouldn't be a liability. Because due to the fact that we have internet facility, it has turned the whole world to a global village whereby you can capitalize on the people around the world and make money. So you can do this with your mobile phone. I will be showing you how to get it done, and I will be showing you my live withdrawal from Fire VIP in this video. So what you just need to do is to stay tuned, watch this very video to the very end, and let me know your comment through the comment box of this video if you have any question. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic Based Talk. Okay, Lasogenic Based Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment platform. I make review on them and I give you my own sincere recommendation. It's also a platform whereby I used to share with you some online ways whereby you can make money online, some of the ways whereby I personally have been making money online. So for that reason, this channel is mainly dedicated for financial education and not for financial advice. So if you found any of my content to be very meaningful to you, you too, you can do your own due diligence research before you jump into any of the discussed content here. All right, because you need to be responsible for your action. All right, and if after you have done your research and you think that is what you can afford to go into it, then just try to do it responsibly. Don't put all your earnings in it, and learn how to diversify your economy. Okay, so once again, what you are considering today is my live withdrawal from Fire VIP. From Fire VIP, turn your phone to money making machine. So quickly, let me take you to the app here. I told you initially that you need to turn your phone to a money making machine. You need to turn your phone to an asset. So how can you do that? So one of the ways whereby you can turn your phone to a money making machine is to involve in a daily task which you are doing unaware before, but now that you are aware of it, it can fetch you money. And what is that thing that you are doing unaware? It is what you are doing on your social media on daily basis, because there are some adverts that people are getting paid for, but you, because you have not monetized your phone, you are doing it for free and you are doing it unaware. So with this particular app that I will be showing you now called Fire VIP, you can be doing that thing that you are doing on your social media. You can be doing it right here with this app and you get paid for it. So what is that thing that you are doing? It is video advert. So now Fire VIP, let me open it now so that you can know how it goes. Fire VIP is a platform in which it gives you some daily tasks to do and you get paid for it. And what are the daily tasks? You are just to watch some video advertisements that are linked with Facebook. They are linked up with Facebook, because whenever we are on Facebook or whenever we are on Instagram, there are a lot of adverts that come to our page that we do watch, but we are unaware of it, and sometimes we are trapped with those advertisements and we later purchase the goods or the services. But right now here with Fire VIP, you will be paid for watching the video ads, and which takes it takes a very short period of time. Some of them might take up to 10 seconds, some 20 seconds. It's not up to a minute. So you can use this as an opportunity to get your money from internet. That is the money you are using to buy data, the money you are using to do some other things, your time and your human resources. So you get it by making your phone a money making machine. So how can you get that? The first thing to do is to create an account. Don't worry, I get you covered. Just check the description box of this video for the registration link. Just check it for the registration so that your account will be activated. So after you have done that, then you are going to download the app and you are going to run through the registration processes. So the first thing for you to do is that, let me show you here. Okay, this is the home page. So we can see there are a lot of adverts there that you can watch, but a particular advert will be designated to you on daily basis depending on the plan that you are. So for that reason, you need to go to the ad machine. Come to this place, ad machine. You click on it. So you can see here, okay, come to rent also. Come to rent. Click on rent here. Click on rent here. So you are going to see the various ad machine that you have that will be fetching you money on daily basis. So the least one is 4,000 naira. It's 4,000 naira and will be earning 100 naira on daily basis. 100 on daily basis. And we also have another one here. So it depends on your own financial strength. So if you should go for that of 16,000 naira, you'll be earning 851 naira on daily basis. If you should go, if you should go for that of 40,000 naira, you'll be earning 2,256 on daily basis. If you go for, okay, if you should go for that of 160,000, you'll be earning 9,536 daily. So depending on your own financial strength, and you can withdraw your money anytime once you have the minimum withdrawal amount in your wallet. So right now, let me do my daily activity, the daily task. So I will need to click on Add Machine. You can see right here I have the free art machine, and I also have the second level, that is the A level art machine. So I'm going to start it now. But okay, so let me take you to what I'm having before. You can see in my balance I'm having 6,373 naira for me to withdraw now. So let me go back to the ad machine so that you will see how it will be added to it. So what you just need to do is now running. So I just need to click on watch now. So short on. So a particular product is being advertised here, as you can see. So let's just wait for it to finish.
This is the greatest moment of all time to want to be a filmmaker. If you want to write stories, you pick up a pencil. If you want to write songs, you pick up a guitar. And if you want to make movies now, you can just pick up an iPhone.
So
this storytelling device is just sitting there in your pocket. It gives us a chance to tell stories no matter where you grow up. And allows everyone to see stories from other cultures. Closer. Not in one move, but boom, 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 boom.
Okay.
You do not care. I'm always looking for more tangible.
So it's still running. It's still running. So let's wait for it to finish.
You just pick up your phone and start filmmaking is one that thrills me. You got that, Mark?
So I think they are promoting a particular phone. Alright, you can see that as the end of the advert. You can see now I have ₦100. So let me go to the mine to see how much I have now. You can see it has been added up. So I'm now having 6,473 now. 6,473 now. So let me go back to the hard machine and to start my second one. That is the A level, the one that I paid for. So let me click on to be started here. So you click on to be started. So I need to click on it now. So it's now running, as you can see. So I need to click on watch now. You can see it is 15% completed. Click on watch now. So it's going now. 26, 28%, 30, 31, 33% completed, 40% completed, 46% completed, 50% completed. So it takes a very little time, a very short period of time for it to be completed, and you get your money for that. 66, 70% completed. Okay, so that's all. Let's wait for it to be 80%. You can see the video takes less than a minute for its completion. 88%, 90%, 91, 93, 5, 96, 98, 100%. So it is now 100% completed. So let me go back to the mine to see how much I'm having now to withdraw. Okay, so network is a bit poor here. All right, so let me go back. You can see, wow, my money has arrived. So I'm having 6,673 now to withdraw. So I'll be withdrawing this right now in your presence. So I will need to click on withdraw here. Withdraw. I want to withdraw 6,600. Okay, 6,600. So this is my name here, my account details. So let me change the bank. Let me see the available bank here. Okay, Access Bank PLC. All right, that is Diamond. Okay, I think I have Access Diamond. Then I need to click on withdraw. So I will be getting 5,412 naira because the service fee is 1,188 naira. So and it will be dropping in this my account 091383263. So I will need to click on confirm. Withdrawal request successful. Okay, so let me go back to my home page. You can see. So right now it has been successful. I'm now having 73 naira there. So in a very short period of time, it's going to drop in my wallet. So that is how to go about with your phone on daily basis. So this is one of the ways where many people, thousands, have been making money on daily basis, and they get paid from this particular app, from this particular website, just for watching video ads that you tend to be watching for free and unaware in some of the other social media sites. So this is an opportunity that you can't afford to lose. Check it out. Start now. Check the description box of this video for the registration link and join my team so that you can also earn faster. You can earn faster with your community, with your network. For instance, right now I'm having like 28 people that we are enjoying this program all together. We are enjoying it together in my team. All of them, they are making money from this. So you too can join us today and start making money with your phone. Turn your phone to a money making machine. Turn it to an asset. Okay. So thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. So meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.